Looking for the best DJ controller in 2026? In this video, we review the top DJ controllers for beginners, hobbyists, and professional DJs. We'll compare sound quality, build, features, software compatibility, portability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect controller for home practice, live performances, or club gigs. Watch until the end to discover the best DJ controller that fits your budget and mixing style. Number 3. The Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 is an excellent entry-level 2-deck DJ controller that combines professional features with an intuitive design, making it one of the best choices for beginners and aspiring DJs. Compatible with Rekordbox and Serato DJ Lite, it provides a smooth introduction to digital DJing while offering enough flexibility for live performances and skill development. One of the DDJ FLX4's biggest strengths is its broad compatibility. It works with Windows PCs, Macs, iPhones, iPads, and Android devices, allowing you to mix wherever inspiration strikes. Support for streaming services such as Tidal, Beatport Streaming, BeatSource Streaming, and SoundCloud Go Plus gives you access to millions of tracks without maintaining a large local music library. The controller features a lightweight, portable design with a professional club-style layout, making the transition to higher-end Pioneer DJ equipment easier as your skills improve. Responsive jog wheels, performance pads, and intuitive controls allow users to create smooth transitions, apply effects, and build creative mixes with confidence. Customer reviews consistently praise the DDJ FLX4 for its reliability and ease of use. One reviewer successfully used it for multiple local events, highlighting its dependable performance and recommending it to anyone learning to DJ. Another first-time owner described it as an 11x10 product, praising its excellent sound quality, portability, durability, and compatibility with various laptops and headphones. Overall, the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 delivers impressive performance, outstanding value, and room to grow, making it an ideal controller for beginners and mobile DJs looking for a reliable, feature-rich mixing solution. Number 2. The Denon DJ SC Live 4 is a feature-packed 4-deck standalone DJ controller designed for DJs who want professional performance without relying on a laptop. Powered by Engine DJ OS, it allows you to mix directly from USB drives, SD cards, or built-in Wi-Fi streaming services, making it an incredibly versatile solution for home practice, live events, and mobile performances. A vibrant 7-inch touchscreen provides fast access to your music library, waveforms, and performance controls, while support for Amazon Music Unlimited, Apple Music, Tidal, Beatport, BeatSource, and SoundCloud Go Plus gives you access to millions of tracks. The controller also offers standalone stems, allowing you to isolate vocals, drums, bass, and melodies for creative remixes and live mashups. Compatibility with Serato DJ Pro and Virtual DJ ensures a smooth workflow for software-based performers. One of the SC Live 4's standout features is its built-in speakers, making it easy to practice or perform without external monitors. Professional connectivity includes balanced XLR outputs, booth outputs, dual microphone inputs, Bluetooth audio, and integrated lighting control for Philips Hue, Nanoleaf, and DMX-compatible systems. Users consistently praise its outstanding value and portability. One reviewer preferred it over the DDJ 1000, highlighting the standalone operation, surprisingly powerful built-in speakers, streaming support, and intelligent engine DJ features. Another first-time DJ appreciated the Wi-Fi streaming capability, making it easy to handle song requests before building a personal music library. Overall, the Denon DJ SC Live 4 combines innovative features, excellent sound quality, and true standalone convenience, making it one of the best all-in-one DJ controllers available today. Number 1. The Rain System 1 all-in-one standalone motorized DJ controller is a premium performance system that combines the authentic feel of vinyl with the flexibility of modern standalone DJ technology. Powered by Engine DJ OS, it allows complete laptop-free mixing while featuring 7.2-inch motorized aluminum platters that deliver the familiar response open format DJs love. One of its biggest strengths is OmniSource, which lets you seamlessly mix music from USB drives, SD cards, internal storage, popular streaming services, and Serato DJ Pro without interrupting playback. The controller also features standalone stems technology, allowing DJs to isolate vocals, drums, bass, and instrumentals in real time. Dedicated stem FX, instant acapella, instrumental buttons, and onboard rendering provide exceptional creative freedom for live remixes and mashups. A vibrant 7-inch HD touchscreen offers intuitive track browsing, waveform monitoring, and effect control, while more than 25 onboard effects, along with Sweep FX, Touch FX, and Fader FX, give performers extensive sound shaping options. Professional connectivity includes XLR main outputs, booth outputs, Bluetooth audio, dual XLR microphone inputs, and a legendary Mag 4 crossfader for smooth, reliable mixing. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. One reviewer described the System 1 as epic, praising its outstanding sound quality, standalone Wi-Fi functionality, and rugged construction, while noting it's equally suitable for beginners and professionals. Another customer appreciated the secure packaging, complete accessories, and overall excellent value. Overall, the Reign System 1 is a feature-rich, professional-grade DJ controller that delivers exceptional performance, unmatched creative tools, and true standalone convenience for serious DJs. Thanks for watching our Best DJ Controllers Review 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect DJ controller for your setup and budget. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest DJ gear reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Have a favorite DJ controller or recommendation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.